Grok had recently released Grokbot, which is a team of AI agents that you can give real work to. But to get access to this tool, you need to pay $100 per month, as access is only granted to this plan. But open source community is quick to build an OpenBot variant for it, which is completely open source and can take any of your LLMs as the AI brain. And today I'm going to be building my own database helper by installing this tool in my own local setup. If you're new to the channel, welcome to Build with AI series, where I cover local AI free tools and models and build practical AI projects with them. And today's focus is gonna be on OpenBot tool, which is recently released by CopilotKit team. Its primary power is that it provides a secure space for your automated assistants, so you can build and test without breaking any things. And the system will act like a digital colleague for you, which keeps a strict record of everything it does, so you can review all the automated actions later. And the core traffic manager of this tool is the CopilotKit gateway, which safely routes all the instructions from your AI agent to your AI models, and none of the harmful or unauthorized commands will pass through this layer. And you're also not logged into one single API, as it is flexible with OpenAI, Gemini, or even the local Llama models, so it can adapt to any kind of brain that you want to be used as the AI. And speed is crucial when you are passing these instructions back and forth, and the routing request processes all the requests in less than 12 milliseconds, so you'll barely notice any kind of delay while this tool is working. And every single command gets evaluated instantly against safety rules, which verifies all the permissions before any of the commands executes and can stop any bad request dead in its tracks. And you have total freedom over any kind of processor that you want, as the platform accepts inputs from virtually any major provider from OpenAI, Gemini, Llama, or LangGraph. And every single action and the tool calls that the agent is making is 100% audited in security logs, so there are no silent features or hidden operations like Grokbot, and you have total visibility into the complete workflow. And the underlying communication layer between the agent and the models is the AGUI protocol stack, which links all the visual elements in the UI with the actual modeling agent. And it uses standard API libraries of Python like FastAPI, so the connection remains stable during even heavy use. Now, before going into how this tool actually works, let us install this in our own system. First, you're going to be needing Docker in your system so that we can directly load the full containerized tool. So just go to docker.com and you can download the Docker desktop according to your platform, whether you're working on Mac or Windows. So once you have Docker installed, you just need to clone the official repository of OpenBot, which you can do by just copying these commands and just pasting it in your coding terminal. Now for my AI brain, I'm going to be using Google Gemini's 3.5 flashlight, which has decent daily limits for a personal project, but you can also opt for some local models as well. But just take care that you cannot use some tiny models, as this system uses multiple communications between different agents. You will need at least a 27B or 35 billion parameter model for this. Now to set up your Gemini API keys, just make a .env file and put both of these parameters with your API key and the Gemini model that you want to be used. If you want to create your own API key, just go to aistudio.google.com/API keys. Then you can log into your Google account and create a new API key by clicking on this button. And you don't have to pay any credits, as this is completely free of cost with some daily limits. Then you need to authenticate to the CopilotKit website. So using these commands, you can just copy. So this will ask you to sign in into your CopilotKit account, so you can easily manage all of your projects. I'll just press enter to continue, and you can create any organization. For now, I'll select the one that I've already made, and it will ask you for a Google or GitHub sign in. And once it is complete, it will just send the message that you are signed in. And then in your terminal, it will ask you the project name, so I can press anything like test. So now it has set up the entire CopilotKit account and also save some access token in the same .env file. And finally, using Docker, we can compose the entire application by using this simple command. So I'll just copy this and paste it in my terminal. And now OpenBot will launch in this localhost 3010 URL, and you can directly interact with any kind of agents and also start any tasks that you want. For testing this right now, I've kept some tickets in this tickets.db SQLite database, and I'm going to be asking some queries on that same database to OpenBot. So first, I'm asking it to review all the pending support tickets and check any refunds under $50. So you just need to type any request and press send. And now after a minute or two, it has given me the full stage process that it has taken. It has called different methods to get all the information. And then it has given me the tickets which are having less than $50 of refund, and also saying that one of the ticket has more than $50, which requires manager approval. And the full process the agent has taken is also audited into the system ledger. Now I'm giving a second query to get all of my pending support tickets with all the customer names. So it is showing me all the tickets that are refunded successfully, then the one ticket which is on hold due to the required manager approval as it is more than $50, and another fifth ticket which is having the issue of password reset. So it has correctly given me all the ticket numbers along with the customer names. I can also show you the preview of the database I have. I've just loaded it in a JSON format, so you can see that the same customer names with the issue type of refund and the amounts are listed here, which the OpenBot is able to fetch and correctly display in my UI. So it is able to do all of my actions that I am requesting and also give me all the details while being completely open source, unlike the Grokbot tool. So the way this tool works is, first it takes our user interaction in the OpenBot UI, which runs on your own local browser on the localhost URL that I had shown, and the routing layer will then process the message before it executes all the commands. It acts like a strict security guard, checking all the tool permissions and whether the agent is logging each of its action in the logging database. And once it is cleared, the request will move to the processing stage, where the standard communication layer of CopilotKit will handle all the handoffs to the AI agents and ensure all the data arrives in a correct format using the SDK tools. But it will link the intent with the actual functions, like we had used get pending tickets and to process the refunds. And the best part is that you do not have to rewrite any of your code for different models, as the platform standardizes the way you talk to all these models, saving you a massive amount of development time. And the project also separates the infrastructure from the actual logic, so the Docker container will handle all the heavy lifting, while your custom code lives happily outside it. And sometimes when you're using cloud models, let's say if you hit any API limits or lose your internet connection, the system does not just crash, as it has a local fallback also, where you can add any of your local Llama models when the cloud API is not working. So that was it for the full breakdown of OpenBot tool, which is a perfect sandbox for giving you total control of your AI agents, so you can build safe local workflows today. As usual, the full README file with step-by-step instructions on how you can set up this project will be available in first link in description and pinned comments, so you can easily install this tool and get started with the project right now. Let me know in comments if you want me to cover more such AI tools and models, and follow the channel for more such AI builds, updates and workflows.